Georgia broke another record for new cases in a day, bringing the total to 500,000 cases since the pandemic began. Nearly 6,100 more cases reported today, just barely breaking the record set last Thursday. And there are fears these numbers will only continue to surge if people travel for the holidays and they gather with people outside of their immediate families. We're seeing a steady gradual increase in testing. 48,000 tests reported today.